Hi Deepika, hi Ranveer. A very big welcome to our show.
Thank you.
Okay, it's been a 2-year-long journey working on Ramveela. Now that you guys are here, how does it feel? A lot of anticipation, anxiety. What is it like?
1.5 years actually.
Okay.
Enough days of shoot, I can tell you that. Close to 200.
Wow.
You know, nowadays people do 3 films in that much
Exactly.
time. But then that's the beauty of Mr. Bhansali's films.
Yeah.
You know, everything is so done with so much detail and so painstakingly made.
Yeah.
Every member of the whole team has put everything into it. Dil, Jaan, everything.
Deepika, what about you?
Right now, I think a little bit of everything, you know, it's anxious, excited, nervous. Like he said, you know, I think so much has gone into making, so much goes into making a movie. But I think usually it kind of hits you on Wednesday, Thursday when you start having screenings.
It's right there.
Yeah, when the cast and crew starts happening, and then you know, you start having industry screenings for like close friends and family. That's when it really hits you.
You know, Mr. Bhansali is known to look his actors very good on screen and extract the best out of them. Do you think it's been your best?
I don't know.
Performance-wise?
I don't think. Well, it's definitely been very, very challenging, very demanding in terms of what he expected from me as an actor. And I had said this earlier on, where the only other time that I felt so drained after a performance was Cocktail.
Really?
But this one more, no?
But why do you say drained? Just emotionally draining because the role was so intense?
Yeah, because of the intensity, because of I think in the way that he directs, you know, he constantly keeps you on your toes. You never know what he expects from you.
Lutera was also a very intense role for you, Ranveer. So how different was this one?
It was even more intense, you know. If I had to tell you the truth, it came from some visceral place.
Yeah.
And yeah, it doesn't make a lot of sense to do a film like Lutera and Ramveela back to back.
Yeah, I mean, really draining for you.
You have to space out films like that. I've realized that, you know, you live and learn, a little bit of experience. I don't think I'll do that again. It can get a bit much.
Yeah. You know, during Chennai Express, you had said, Deepika, that, you know, from the moment the film was announced, you knew this was going to be a very big hit. What's the kind of gut feel about this one?
It's going to be special. I don't know if you're going to ask me how is it going to do box office wise.
Obviously.
I don't know. I can't tell. But it's definitely going to be a very, very special film. I feel like when people leave the theater, I feel like they're going to feel something. You know, like hopefully, wow.
Yeah. But you know, Bollywood is very driven by this number game. And you'll probably know because you've had only hits this year, Deepika.
Can I answer this for you?
Yeah, please do.
1 year ago, I started work with a girl who I saw was very disciplined, very grounded, and valued the opportunities that she had and worked towards them, made the best of them and gave her best to those opportunities to make good on them. Then she had the year that she had, first race, then Ye Jawani, Chennai Express, super duper success, which is essentially catapulted her to the #1 position.
Yeah, absolutely.
And now I see somebody who's even more responsible, even more grounded, even more disciplined and hardworking, and now she values the successes that have come her way.
Tell us about a 10 kg ghagra.
30 kg.
30 kg, oh my God.
I didn't weight, but definitely very, very, very heavy. And on the first day of the shoot, I couldn't understand why I wasn't flowing as easily as during my rehearsals. Yeah. And I realized that in the rehearsal, I had not worn the outfit. And on the day of the shoot, obviously, I'd worn this entire, the lehenga and the whole, everything that goes with looking the way I do. And it was the weight. And I just kept wearing the lehenga higher and higher and higher, thinking that it'll give me some part of my body will allow me to support and carry
balance you out, right?
It just didn't help.
What about the turns? That's my favorite
bit. The twirls, really?
Yeah.
So the ghagra, the bottom was so bottom heavy with all the work and the embroidery and the mirror work.
Physics thing.
That if I did one spin, and we were a group of girls, like how Garba is done with a group of girls. So we're all in a thing and in a circle, and everyone's taking their circles, and then you have to stop. And with Sanjay sir, when you stop, you have to stop. You can't even breathe, okay?
Maybe I want that
because after you stop, even if you do this, he'll want to do one more.
Redo.
And that's exactly what was happening, because and you turn and then you stop, and my ghagra is still moving, so I would keep moving like that with the ghagra.
So who do you think she makes the best pair with in the industry? You said about Sonakshi also. When Ashi literally said, actors make a best day only with you, Ranveer, really?
Fact is fact.
Really, you think
They do now, what do I say?
It's just you, right? Deepika, what do you think? Who do you see yourself with?
Can I change that? I think Sonakshi makes a great pair with Arjun.
Okay.
They're doing Tevar later on this year. I think they make a good pair.
Okay.
But Deepika certainly makes a great pair.
So now this one is really connected.
And next year when he is back to promote another film, he'll be saying something else.
You there.
पकड़े गए.
नहीं यार पागल है तू. तू देख दुनिया क्या बोल रही. Best तो तू मेरे साथ ही लगती.
You know the chemistry that shows on screen is like the most integral part of the film, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
when you're making an intense love story, it's a very simple thing. You're making a love story, and love story में conflict आता है. That is the kind of film that Ram Leela is. For you to be engaged at the edge of your seat when the conflict hits in, you have to already have purchased the love between these two people, and that comes from believing and buying into the chemistry.
I like that purchase of love. That sounds very interesting.
Yeah, you have to believe that these people will do anything to be together. For you to be taken along with the story as it unfolds.
So is that from where all your off-screen rumors spark off, because the chemistry on screen is so good?
Probably.
Maybe not. I don't. I mean, there's no reason why these things are said or why these things are written. I don't think he and I have ever gone out of our way to just be the way we are. And I'm glad that we have the kind of chemistry that we do, because it's like he said, it's very, very important for a film like this. The audience needs to invest in these two characters, in Ram and Leela, and believe that they are in love, and believe, like he said, like they would do anything to be together, despite all the odds. And I think that's one of the first things that came out of the trailer launch as well. Everyone was talking about the chemistry.
Yeah.
And what is a love story without chemistry?
Absolutely. But when an off-screen chemistry is being spoken about, is there a lot of pressure when you're shooting? Does that really impact? Because,
No, not at all. And I think I can safely say this with our entire generation of actors. I think we're really not... I don't think we get conscious or start living our lives in the way that we are expected to. I think we're more than happy to live our lives the way we want to and deal with whatever speculation that might come our way. I genuinely believe that we're not given the time to get to know each other as people. Forget even friends.
Right.
Because the minute you step out and you're spotted with someone, it's assumed that you're in a relationship or you're dating or whatever. We are all very cool with just hanging out with each other.
Which is your all-time favorite romantic Bollywood film?
Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
What, you're like on this?
No, as an audience, not
as
because
an audience.
It's my movie.
Okay.
Chal Jhooti.
Really? It was so wholesome. It had everything.
Have you seen Ye Jawani?
Yeah.
Do you think it was wholesome?
It was good.
He's kind of mincing his words. You see that? It was good. Theek tha.
Sorry, but
yeah,
I think DDLJ is because it's the classic. I actually loved Ye Jawani. Really enjoyed it.
That was an afterthought though. That came a little later than expected.
No, I should tell you how I really feel. I thought it was a kick-ass movie.
Yeah.
Really.
It's superb talking to you all. We can't wait to watch the two of you together in Ram Leela, and thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you.